The Mainstay's 5-foot 2-inch downbridge floor lamp. Assembly instructions. Remove all parts from packaging and check with a parts list. To avoid scratching of the floor or the lamp parts, assemble on a soft surface. Take the top section of the 5-section pole and connect it with the second section. Make sure the side with the screw holes is facing backwards. Secure with 2 screws at the back. Connect the second section with the third section. Secure with 2 screws at the back. Connect third section with fourth section. Secure with 2 screws at the back. Before connecting the fourth section and the bottom section, straighten the wire by pulling it from the bottom section to ease the connection. Secure with 2 screws at the back. Connect the fourth section with the bottom section. Secure with 2 screws at the back. Unroll the fabric shade on a clean surface to prevent it from being stained. Make sure the side with the clips is facing up. Take the bottom metal ring and secure it to the lampshade with the clips around the edge of the shade with a rolling action. Close the lampshade with the hook and loop tape at the end. Make sure the tape is properly aligned and the lamp is cylindrical. Take the top supporting metal frame and clip it onto the other edge of the lampshade. Make sure the smaller circular ring on the metal frame is inside the lampshade. Remove the plastic ring on the lampshade holder by rotating it clockwise. Take the assembled lampshade and pass the small circular ring at the middle of the top metal supporting frame through the lamp holder. Then take the plastic ring and screw it onto the lamp holder. Take a maximum 100-watt Type A incandescent bulb, not included, or the included 5-watt Type A LED bulb and screw it into the lamp holder.